Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're taking a look at the Lamp-Tec wireless light switch kit. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're taking a look at the Lamp-Tec wireless light switch kit. Now, I got this from the company that gave me the wireless doorbell that I did a video on that I installed. I'm probably just going to make a playlist to this company so you can check out all the products I review for them. And this was given to me to do a review. But it goes on Amazon for $24.99. Let's go ahead, get it open, take a closer look at it, and get it hooked up. I'll make sure I have a product link for you down below. Turn it right side up. App control, voice control, remote control, timer, Wi-Fi connection, free code pairing. I thought it was just going to plug into like an electrical outlet. Apparently there's more to it. Okay, I had to pause the video. This kind of put me back. Because I thought this was just going to plug in a wall outlet. But I have this floor lamp that's in a place where I really don't want it, but it's the only outlet I have that's hooked up to a light switch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the cord and attach it to this. Then I can have this light switch wherever I want it. You know, I can have it in my bedroom, and I can turn on my living room light from the bedroom, you know, without having my cell phone there or anything, and maybe it won't be able to hear me, or, you know, so that would be cool, and I can still use this. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, I'm going to take the cord, I'm going to make it about halfways, and I'm going to cut it. I went ahead and installed the app, and I have it working with my Google Assistant. It was pretty easy to install. I just didn't show it because you had to enter your email address and password, and I didn't want that on video. But let's go ahead and give it a try. Hey, Google Assistant, turn on living room light. Hey, Google Assistant, turn off living room light. Okay, I got my remote hooked up. See, it works on and off. But one nice feature this has that I didn't know, one nice added feature the light switch does have is if you're not home, let's say your light's off, somebody comes in your house to turn it on, it'll send you a message. It'll have the time that it came on. Now the reason there's so many times it came on is because I've been playing with it. But I thought that was a nice little feature just in case you weren't home. So overall, ease of use. I don't think it could have got much easier. Just remember to make sure you have your positive and your neutrals correct to know which one's which. The app works great. It works great with my Google Assistant. I was down the road, probably about half a mile. I turned on the light from a half mile away, and I could see it coming on at the house when I was down the road. Overall, I'm quite pleased with it. I'm going to give this a solid 5 out of 5. I'll have a link to it down below so you can check it out. And I'll have a link to my Amazon store. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, probably up here somewhere. And as always, thank you for watching.